Hi, I'm Ryan Allen. I'm the National Clinical Manager at Bay Audio. Okay, so a common question that I get from customers about to do a hearing check is, what can I expect when I go into the consultation room? Basically what we're doing in the consultation room is we're looking for your thresholds or the softest sounds that you can hear. So we've got the latest technology available to assess your thresholds using some tone methods, but then we also do some speech testing as well to confirm the tone tests. If the test identifies a hearing loss, then we'll oftentimes insert some devices to allow you to experience enhanced hearing and do some real-life speech testing as well. It's a very supportive environment in which the well-trained clinicians spend a lot of time getting to know you as an individual, and also we encourage you to bring a support person in as well, so that we can have a good discussion around your hearing health and discuss any concerns that you may be having. Thanks for joining us. I hope you found this information useful. If you liked it, please hit like below, and I look forward to seeing you at a Bay Audio store soon.